the bait. I've only been open 2 hours today, and I've already had a bunch of people come in and play the gumballs. Some that are locals, and others that found me while they were looking for things to do in Pittsburgh. Here's what everyone's won so far today.
Ace of Spades bottle.
A 1940s Chem Manufacturing novelty bottle lighter.
Oh, that's super cool.
Their friend saw what they won and was like, what? I want to play the gumball. So they got a 20 as well. And it's what they won and their reaction to it that had me laughing. And then just lift the lid off of there. Curator jackpot straight to
Oh. There's no way. There's no way.
That's
I
yours.
mean,